how to fix Facebook three-line option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your Facebook three-line option not showing? It might be because your app needs an update, so I'll teach you how. So let's dive right in. Open up your App Store and then search for Facebook. So go ahead and search for it, and then you can see that the app is already updated. But however, there might be a glitch. Sometimes you'll need to force update it by going to your phone settings. So go ahead and tap on the settings option and then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and tap on Facebook. So you'll need to offload the app and then reinstall it again from the App Store. So this will help you to update the app to the latest version without losing any data, and it will help you fix any errors and issues. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.